I've just made a short video asking whether you think my cockatiel is a girl or a boy. Here it is, right now. Say hello. 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 So, this is my cockatiel Lulu. I've had Lulu for ages now, and I've never known whether it's a girl or a boy. So I thought you'd be able to help me. So there Lulu is. He can talk and stuff. I don't know whether that would make a difference to the gender. He whistles a lot all the time. I don't know if that would make a difference. He's got really red cheeks and like whitish feet, pinkish feet even. I don't really know what else to say. So if you can comment on this video and let me know whether you know whether it's a boy or girl, that would be really cool. So bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.